Hi, I'm Miss Kristen, and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Sonic the Hedgehog. So let's get started into our video, and here we go. You want to start with a clean sheet of paper, a black marker, and a pencil. The best thing to do is to outline your picture first and to go over it with your marker. But right now, I'm just going to be showing you a basic Sonic drawing, and let's get started. So first thing you want to do is draw a lasso shape like this. Just like that. Draw a lasso shape like that. So for step 2, once you have that lasso shape, you want to then go in and make a little line right there. Right there in the corner like that. And now that you have that, for step 3, you want to make a line like this. Make a line like this. Just like that. Step 3. Then step 4, make another line right here. And step 5, make him some eyebrows. Just like that. Step 6, let's give him an ear. Like that. Step 7, make another line connecting this ear to this ear like that. Still on step 7, let's make his nose. Like that. Step 8, let's make his eyes. You know Sonic has those big green eyes. Just going to shade them in like that. And we're going to make the other part of his face. And still on step 8, let's make his spike. Like that. And step 9, let's make his other ear like that. Let's make him a mouth. Another spike. And then lastly, step 10, let's make his last spike. And that's it. You're done. And if you want, you can make like a little neck for him, anything like that you want. And that's your Sonic. And if you like, you can surely color it in to your liking. And thank you for joining me for this video, and have a great day.